Between the engaging professional development provided for our staff to the number of resources, tools, and ideas that are shared during the planning process, I am thankful that we were able to partner with the Van Andel Institute.
We're going to look at a lot of different ways that we can use ChatGPT to do the work that will save us time, make us more efficient.
So this balance between aiming high, really challenging students to grow.
2, 3. And then right. That's creativity, man.
Very informative, had some cool lesson plans at the end.
Not only are you getting content that you can bring back to your classroom, but you're also going to get the VIP treatment. We want to affirm teachers because we know how hard that job is.
As a teacher, this turns out to be a great opportunity for our students, most importantly because it's led by instructors who are very skilled in their craft. They keep the kids very engaged.
We are seeing teachers being really successful at implementing projects that are engaging with students, that are making connections to the community.
All of the activities that they participated in with this were truly authentic.